Right, so back in the kitchen again, and tonight we're going to be cooking something from the new pinch of non-book. What we're cooking, Teen?
Dijon pork.
Dijon pork, that's right. Okay, so I'll show you what we've got to cook it with. Okay, it's got a nice loin of pork there, pork fillet, depending on what you want to call it. Some onions, chopped button mushrooms, some Dijon mustard and mustard powder, a bit of lazy garlic there because I'm too lazy to peel some garlic, and some stock. So we'll start cooking. Okay, so first thing I've done is got the pan over a medium heat, sprayed it with some low calorie spray and put in my sliced onion. I'm going to leave that there to fry down for about 10 minutes or so until it's started to brown. The onions have now cooked, gone golden brown, so I've cut up the pork loin into pieces, and I'm going to put them in because they've got to seal on both sides before we move on to the next bit. Put the garlic in as well at the same time. There we go. Nice bit of flavour. There we go. So I'll cook those up and seal them for a couple of minutes. Okay, so that's the chunks of pork loin now seasoned. So I'm going to put the mushrooms in. Add the stock. You've got to stir around, get all the bits out the bottom. Okay. That's my Dijon mustard going in. And my mustard powder. That's all in, all going to mix round, and that's going to simmer now for about 25 minutes to half an hour. So we'll bring you back a couple of times through there to see how it's doing, and that should all nicely start to cook down. Okay, that's cooking down nicely, so I'm just going to turn over the pieces of meat so that they cook evenly. They're about halfway through their cooking time now, so there we go. Leave that for another few minutes. Okay, so that is now cooked. Just going to turn the heat off and mix in some low fat cream cheese. Stir that around till it's all mixed in. If you want all the full details of the recipe, all the quantities, how to do it and so on, I'll turn that off. Yeah, if you want the full details of the recipe, it's in the new pinch of non-book. It tells you all the quantities, and so on and so forth, how to do it, and you can have a go at doing this. If you hear noise in the background, I was going to say it was Tina doing the rice, but it isn't, it's the cat having a mental fit. So I'll just finish off mixing this in, and then we'll serve it up and show you what it looks like. Oh, I should say at this point, had you add any salt and pepper, season to taste. You can add some flat leaf parsley or some other herbs if you want to add a bit of colour. But I'm not a big lover of parsley, and coriander doesn't really go with this, so I'll give that a miss. So there you go, we'll just mix this up, dish it up, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, so there you go, all dished up, ready to eat. We've served that with some brown basmati rice. Probably could have done with some vegetables really, if I'm honest, or a bit of salad to go by the side, but I'm sure it'll taste fine anyway. Okay, so there you go, so that's Dijon pork with brown basmati rice from the latest Pinch of Nom book. If you want the full recipe, look in the book please. I don't want to get done for copyright infringements, so all the details are in the new book. It is well worth buying, some great recipes in there, aren't the team?
Yes, definitely.
I haven't got my hand up her back, it's not a ventriloquist dummy, it is a real person, honest.
Yes, definitely. We have all three.
That's it. So until next time, thanks for watching. We'll see you there again.
Bye.
Bye now.